Hi, today I'm going to continue with the lesson 43. It has been a long time when I recorded my previous video, and I remember it was lesson 42. Unfortunately, I could not manage to record new tutorials due to my PhD studies, and Alhamdulillah, I've recently completed my doctorate in Human Resource Management from Management and Science University, Kuala Lumpur. And now I find sufficient time to resume these lessons. As we know that the purpose of current course is to help the non-native Urdu speakers to understand the language, especially when they are interacting with the Urdu or Hindi speakers. So I have decided to add 2 more lessons in the current course. The current lesson is lesson 43, and then another lesson will be added to conclude the course. The new course which I'm planning to start, it is on the dialogues and day-to-day conversation, because it has been highly demanded and most of my subscribers, they have already requested for that. So let's start today's lesson, which is on numbers and use of numbers in Urdu. We can say that Urdu में गिनती का इस्तेमाल. Urdu may mean in Urdu, and ginti stands for numbers. Ka istemal, use of. So use of numbers in Urdu. Urdu में गिनती का इस्तेमाल. If we see the first column, here we have numbers from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3 to 10. So in Urdu, for 0 we use sifar. For 1, ek, alif, ye and kaf, ek. For 2, do. For 3, teen, teen, te, ye and noon. And for 4, char. So sifar, ek, do, teen, char. 5, पाँच, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. We'll not say no, we'll say no, no, ending with noon hona, no, finishing in the nose, no, no, and then 10, 10. So sifar, ek, do, teen, char, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9 and 10. And if we see a few examples, I have 0 marks in chemistry. मेरे केमिस्ट्री में 0 नंबर हैं. For 1, this is a book. ये एक किताब है. These are 2 books. ये 2 किताबें हैं. ये 3 किताबें हैं. These are 3 books. ये 4 books हैं. These are 4. ये 4 किताबें हैं. ये 5 books हैं. ये 5 किताबें हैं. These are 5 books. ये 5 books हैं. As I have already mentioned that in Urdu we can substitute English words very easily. Like in this sentence, when we are saying these are 5 books or these are 4 books, we can also say ये 5 books हैं. ये 5 किताबें हैं. 5 books, 5 किताबें. Similarly, ये 6 किताबें हैं. ये 7 किताबें हैं. ये 8, 8, ending with a heavy sound like हे, 2 चश्मी है. ये 8 किताबें हैं. ये 9 किताबें हैं. ये 10 किताबें हैं. Similarly, if you have a sentence, this is a girl, ये एक लड़की है, ये दो लड़कियां हैं, ये तीन लड़कियां हैं, ये चार लड़कियां हैं, ये पांच लड़कियां हैं, ये छह लड़कियां हैं, ये सात लड़कियां हैं, ये आठ लड़कियां हैं, ये 9 लड़कियां हैं, एंड ये 10 लड़कियां. And there is another example. This is a banana. ये एक केला है. These are 2 bananas. ये 2 केले हैं. ये 3 केले हैं. ये 4 केले हैं. ये 5 केले हैं. ये 6 केले हैं. ये 7 केले हैं. ये 8 केले हैं. ये 9 केले हैं. ये 10 केले हैं. After 10 we have word 11, 11. So if we have the sentence, these are 10 books, ये 10 किताबें हैं. These are 11 books, ये 11 किताबें हैं. ये then 12, ये 12 किताबें हैं. 13, ये 13 किताबें हैं, and so on. So after 10 we have 11. 11 mean 11. Then 12 12, 13 13, 14 14, 15 15, 16 16, 17 17, 18 18, 19 19, 20 20, 21 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29, or sometimes some people say 29, so the better is 29, 29 29, 30 30, 31 31 और 31, 32 32, 33 33, 34 34, 35 35, 36 36, 37 37, 38 38, 39 39, and 40 40. Now for 41 41, 42 42, 43 43, 44 44, 45 45, 46 46, 47 47, 48 48 48, 49 49 49, 50 50, 51 51, 52 52, 53 53 53, 54 54. So there are both ways are correct to when we are writing 54. 55 55, 56 56, 57 57, 58 58, 59 59, 60 60 60, 61 61, 62 62, 63 63 63, 64 64, 65 65, 66 66, 67 67, 68 68, 69 69, 70 70. Then 71 71, 72 72, 73 73, 74 74, 75 75, 76 76, 77 77, 78 78, 79 79 और 79, 80 80, 81 81, 82 82, 83 83, 84 84, 85 85, 86 86, 87 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, and 90, 90. For 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, and 100, 100 or 100. Now when we move after 100, then we will repeat all these numbers one by one. For example, if it is 101, so we will add 1, 101, 101, 101, 102, 103. And if we are after 200, then 201 means 201, 203, 202, 203, 301, 302, 303, 304, and so on. So if we have 101, we'll say 101, 102, 102, 103, 103. Similarly for 200, 200, 201, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, and so on. Likewise 300, 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, and so on. For 1000, we use the word 1000. For 1001, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1100, 1200, and so on. For 2000, 2000. For 3000, 3000. 3100, 3100, 4440, 4240. Is a correction here? 400, 400, 4440, 4000. Sorry, there's a correction. 4240, 4200. So 4240, 4240, 4240. For time, like 2003, 2003, 2003, 2017, 2017. For the larger amount, like 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, or lakh, or 1 lakh. 1 million mean 10 lakhs, 10 lakh. 10 million, 100 lakh, or 1 crore, or crore. 1,000 million or billion, we say arab or 1 arab. Then 100 billion, kharab or 1 kharab. But the good news is that if you don't know these Urdu words, or you know few, you can simply replace it with the English words, like this is a book, ye ek kitab hai. And if you don't know ek, you can say ye 1 book hai, ye 2 books hain, ye 3 books hain, ye 4 books hain, or ye 1 book hai, ye 2 books hain, ye 3 books hain, ye 4 books hain, ye 5 books hain, ye 6 books hain, and so on. So we can replace any time, but at least you must know, because if someone is using these Urdu words, numbers, then at least you can understand. So before I conclude, let's go quickly to these numbers again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100, 200, 300, 1000, 2000, and so on. So that's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.